Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer on Wix Studio so you can create a sense of urgency for your sales, event launches, or upcoming software tutorials in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Wix Studio editor and access the App Market. The first step is entering your advanced design workspace. In 2026, Wix Studio handles specialized widgets like countdown timers through its integrated app market to ensure they are fully responsive and synchronized with global time zones. Log in to your Wix Studio dashboard and click on Edit Site. On the left-hand vertical toolbar, click the App Market icon. It looks like a small grid of 4 squares. In the search bar at the top of the app market, type Countdown Timer. This is the discovery phase. While you can custom code a timer using Velo, using a verified app in 2026 is much more efficient. These apps come pre-packaged with smart logic that automatically adjusts the countdown based on the visitor's local time, ensuring your "sale ends at midnight" message is accurate for everyone worldwide. Next, add the widget to your section. Once you've found a highly rated timer app, you need to place it onto your canvas exactly where it will have the most impact. Click Add to Site on your chosen countdown app. The widget will appear on your current page. Drag and drop the timer into a high visibility area, such as your hero section or a sticky announcement bar at the top of the page. This is the placement phase. In 2026, user attention spans are shorter than ever. By placing the timer near your primary call to action (CTA) button, you visually remind the customer that the opportunity is limited. Wix Studio's section grid system makes it easy to snap the timer into a specific cell so it stays perfectly aligned with your headlines. Next, set the target date and time. Now you need to tell the timer exactly what it is counting down to. This is the core logic step of the process. Click on the timer widget and select Settings or Manage. Locate the Target Date field. Pick your end date from the calendar and set the precise hour and minute. Choose your time zone, usually your business's local time or UTC. If you are launching a new 2026 full guide, setting the timer to expire exactly when your video goes live creates an appointment viewing effect. The app handles the complex math of subtracting the current time from your target time, displaying the remaining days, hours, and minutes in real time. And that's pretty much it. To add a countdown timer in 2026, open the Wix Studio App Market, search for a countdown app, and add it to your site. Use the settings to pick your target date. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.